The 4D 16-line green laser offers impressive visibility and accuracy, suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, making it a versatile tool for any construction or renovation project. This laser level features a 4-plane 360-degree layout, which is perfect for tasks such as ceiling installations and tile alignment, ensuring precise and efficient work. Equipped with a smart pendulum system, the laser level provides self-leveling capabilities and alerts users when it's out of range, enhancing its reliability and ease of use. With the convenience of remote control, users can easily select the needed laser lines without having to move the device, thanks to its adaptable mounting options. The laser level comes with a robust after-sales service, including a 2-year warranty and around-the-clock support, ensuring customer satisfaction and confidence in the purchase. Manufactured by WeIDo, this laser level combines advanced features with a comprehensive accessory kit, making it a top choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike.